Navigating nuances, context clues in professional slang. Hey there, English learners! In today's lesson, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of professional communication, using context clues. By the end, you'll know how to pick up on slang and colloquialisms, even if you've never heard them before. Let's jump in. Whenever we hear or read something unfamiliar, our brain often tries to make sense of it by looking at the words or situations around it. These surrounding words or situations that help us infer or deduce the meaning of the unfamiliar term are called context clues. Imagine someone saying, "I have a tight deadline, so I'm swamped at work today." Even if you don't know what "swamped" means, the words "tight deadline" and "work today" give you an idea that the person is extremely busy. In professional settings, people often use jargon, slang, or colloquialisms that might be new to some. Here's why understanding them using context is vital. 1. Avoiding misunderstandings. Ensuring that communication is clear and understood is paramount in professional environments. 2. Building relationships. When you understand what your colleagues are saying, you can better connect with them. 3. Boosting confidence. Knowing that you can navigate unfamiliar terms boosts your confidence in any professional conversation. 1. Look for synonyms or explanations. Sometimes, a speaker or writer will directly provide the meaning of an unfamiliar term. E.g., our CEO is very meticulous. He pays attention to every single detail. 2. Notice contrast or opposites. Look for terms like, but, however, or, on the other hand. E.g., I thought he'd be mad, but he was pretty chill about it. Even if you don't know chill, you understand it's a positive reaction. 3. Understand the overall theme. Sometimes, getting a general idea of the topic can hint at the meaning. If a business meeting is about cost-cutting, terms will likely revolve around savings, budget, and expenses. 4. Ask for clarification. When in doubt, ask. It's better to understand clearly than to misinterpret. Let's look at a sample sentence. After the presentation, my boss gave me a pat on the back and said it was lit. If you're unsure about lit, notice the positive gesture, pat on the back. This suggests that lit here means something was exceptionally good. Understanding slang and colloquialisms using context clues is a valuable skill, especially in a professional setting. As you continue to immerse yourself in these environments, picking up on these cues will become second nature. Remember, English is a journey, and every new term or phrase is an opportunity to learn and grow. Hope this lesson was enlightening. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.